Hey everyone, now that the GPT App Store by OpenAI has gone live and it's out in the market, there are a lot of people talking about what is going on over there. There's a lot of links being shared around about what chatbots are available on the open market, and there are a lot of people who are talking about building apps to go on the market. Well, there are three things that I want everyone to consider if you're thinking about building or you're already actively building an app to go on the GPT App Store from OpenAI. The first one is, what problem are you solving? Please do not go out and build an app that nobody wants to use and nobody's going to use. It's such a waste of your time. It's definitely going to clog up the app market, and it's going to be really hard for people like us to go through and find apps that actually provide value. We don't want to stumble onto your app, start using it, and realize it's no good and have to hop to the next one. It just creates this friction, this barrier to learning the new setup, to learning the new apps, to learning this whole new process of using AI via the apps. And please don't build an app that doesn't do anything for us. Make sure you're actually solving a problem that people need solved. And when you share your link and share your information, make sure you explain what problem that is so that people going to it know what it's for and what they can use it for and why they should use it. Number two, you want to include 5 to 10 really structured, great prompts that would work really well for your app. I think this is a great thing to push when you're talking about your app and presenting out into the market. What are 5 to 10 prompts that a user could use to really get great value out of the app? You built the app. You're the only one who's going to know what's behind the scenes in that app and what's the best way to prompt it to get the best results out of it, to get the best information out of it. So feed us, please, 5 to 10 prompts that are really great, that are going to show the value of the app, that I can just jump in there and start using right away, and that there's not going to be some massive learning curve when I show up to your app to use it. Number 3, content. Where are you getting your content from? Please do not go out and steal other people's content to build your app. Use your own content, use your own information. Go look for records, documents, video transcripts, videos themselves, images, all the things that you could possibly load into the GPT app. Make sure that it's yours. Make sure that it's your own original content. People are not going to know when you've stolen their content. It's going to be so hard. This is going to be a crazy environment that we all live in, just like with the internet. When you publish something, you don't know who's going to take it and use it in the future. So let's just be really good citizens with each other on this digital space, this digital platform, and use your own content. Don't use content from others. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you build an amazing app that we all get to use someday. Please follow me on LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok, AIForceTraining.com for more information on how you can become a GPT specialist.